Hi, Elaine here with WTI. Isn't Canvaslove amazing? Look at the design on this bag. It is so gorgeous. I just love it. I just love that it protects my computer and it has great features. Look how much stuff I have in here. So I have my mouse and I have my cords for the computer. And it has nice little pockets in there too. You see that? So convenient. And as far as protection, oh my, inside the protection of my computer is so great. It has these really big, huge, cushiony knobs on the inside to protect all the edges of your computer. So if you're looking for a great protection for your computer, try Canvaslove. You will fall in love with it. And that's just my point of view.